I'm here with the beautiful Crystalline. The wind is just winding. I wonder how the energy feels from a palm tree. I've never tried that before. I want to try it now.
You should try. Ooh, this is so beautiful. It's definitely different. It's like a good different.
It's so amazing how like it grows like this. Like this is like a material
I was thinking the same thing. I just don't
in
know the
itself.
name. Wow, so beautiful. Until it is ripe, it will open, and it is not poisonous. Yeah.
Wow.
But it
Has a lot of them.
It looks like scrambled eggs.
Got you.
Very nice. Amazing. We have Farmer Alex eating a mango the natural way, guys.
Yes.
Appreciation.
Right.
Yes.
Gratitude.
OMG. And look how yellow and orange it is. Very
This
ripe.
is how you give thanks. Not with knife and forks and all this artificial stuff. This way.
Use your fingers. Amazing tree ripened fruit, guys.
You're getting a lot of water. You see what happens when the plant gets too much water? It splits. So we had a bunch here, and they all, because of the weather and too much water, they got messed up. And you see that tree right there? It's a papaya tree. So papaya grows on that tree. And this is your sugar cane.
Where?
This.
Wow, that looks different than how I normally see it.
This is what the sugar cane looks like.
Yeah.
Okay.
And when it's ready, we just remove it from the root, cut the top off, run it through the machine. Oh my gosh, you've been eating the right things. And yucca? That's yucca over there.
That's growing tall?
Yucca?
I didn't know that.
That's yucca.
Yucca root?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I didn't know it grew that tall.
Oh yeah. Actually, what we've discovered is if you leave it and support it, it will go 20 feet. We have one over here that's growing.
Amazing. Let's see.
How is it?
Oh my
Good?
gosh. This is sweet.
Sweet? Okay, I want to try it.
Oh my god.
North Carolina, bud. Yeah, this time of year is like for all the fun things.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Like, it's sweet.
Amazing.
I mean, all plants are fun, really, but like, people having a big one. Yeah, moringa. Made the moringa. I just put down some sorrel, some hibiscus tea.
Okay, yes.
Oh.
Sorrow.
This right here. Yeah.
Wow.
The young ones. Turmeric. And turmeric as well. But this is how plantain grows up. This is a really older plant. You can see a little bit of a younger plant over there.
Okay.
See that nice round leaf?
And they harvest the leaves.
Yeah, they harvest the leaves. They work with the leaves. I think the seeds are also used too for intestinal. But like I said, I'm not an herbalist, just a grower. So
No
but I
problem.
believe that's what. So fact check everything I say.
Got it.
I can tell you how to grow everything. You see that little patch back there of all those brown sticks?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if you don't mind walking back there.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Kind of a patch. Always head up, back up. This is stinging nettle.
Oh,
And
wow.
so you should walk around here. There's some right here too. Take the wide range. Wow, it's all over the place. We're gonna come this way, just because y'all are barefoot. The cool thing about plantain, it actually stops the sting from stinging nettle. This is a little plantain stuff.
Beautiful. So abundant.
Oh, it definitely is. And that stinging nettle, though, do you know stinging nettle? You heard
Yes.
that? Okay, that was that bush was like from here, like this whole big area.
Oh,
But
wow.
since the grower out here is like resting the field, chopping and growing plants to make the soil better, like these guys right here, they
Okay.
chopped it all down so they can get the garden ready for next season.
I see.
These
Beautiful.
are like there's some like stinging nettle here. We'll walk this way. We're gonna wait for you. These are fertilizer. All these little sticks you see everywhere were grown to fertilize the soil.
Oh, wow.
What do they call that? I know, like, when it comes to agriculture
Yeah.
and they're planting, and they usually put like low plants to help the bigger plants. What is that called?
That's well. So there's a few different things you're asking about. That right there is called intercropping or companion cropping. When you're kind of growing like the tall moringa provides shade for the turmeric.
Mm.
Yeah, and then
Wow.
you know you go one step forward, and like the nerds call it agroforestry. It's typically like people how many cultures have grown for a long time, which is mixing trees and lower plants together. You might hear the term food forest. Have
Yes.
you ever heard that? Cool. You know, which is like typical like Caribbean culture, African culture, Southeast Asian. Just the whole garden's integrated and not row crop like Europeans do.
Wow. It's like they help each other out.
Yeah,
It's beautiful.
Exactly. Yeah,
Oh, look at
make
the
friends.
baby lizard.
Yeah, I know, right? It's so funny. He probably wants to jump off.
Oh.
Tulsi,
Okay.
holy basil.
Yes.
Tulsi. Wow.
That is a strong herb, like in tea.
Yeah,
Whew, knocks
Yeah.
your socks off.
I love that. I do that all the time. Oh, there's vanilla.
Oh, really?
Vanilla? Oh
What
my
kind?
gosh.
Like it's
Broadleaf.
broadleaf.
Yeah.
Wow.
We have a native one in there too.
Oh my.
That's like one of the ones that I use for like vanilla.
Amazing. You have a spotted coconut here.
Yeah. One day we'll probably come up coconut. We should maybe move that somewhere else.
Oh.
But I
Beautiful.
want to see this is a female one of it. I know.